Blenders have become an essential kitchen tool for anyone looking to whip up quick smoothies, sauces, or even meal prep with ease. Among the most popular options on the market are the NutriBullet and NutriBullet, two compact and efficient personal blenders that promise to simplify your blending needs. While both are designed with convenience in mind and share a similar goal of making healthy eating accessible, they cater to different types of users with distinct features, performance levels, and price points. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast blending protein shakes daily or a casual user looking for an affordable way to prepare simple recipes, choosing between these two can be tricky. In this detailed comparison, we'll break down their design, build quality, performance, versatility, and more to help you decide which one deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. Let's dive into the battle of the bullets. Design and build quality. The NutriBullet stands out with its sleek and modern design. Models like the NutriBullet Pro 900 come in various colors, allowing users to choose a style that matches their kitchen decor. The build quality is robust, with BPA-free plastic cups and stainless steel blades that feel durable and long-lasting. The motor base is sturdy and remains stable during operation, even at high speeds. This stability ensures a smoother blending experience without the risk of the blender moving around on the counter. In contrast, the NutriBullet has a simpler and more compact design. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to store and move around, which is ideal for smaller kitchens or those with limited counter space. However, the build quality is not as robust as the NutriBullet. The motor base can sometimes wobble during use, especially when blending tougher ingredients. The plastic components also feel less durable compared to the NutriBullet, making it more prone to wear and tear over time. Blade design. The NutriBullet features powerful stainless steel extractor blades that are specifically designed to handle tough ingredients such as frozen fruits, raw nuts, seeds, and fibrous greens. These blades use cyclonic action to break down ingredients into smooth blends efficiently. They are highly effective for crushing ice and creating creamy smoothies or purees without leaving unprocessed bits behind. However, it's worth noting that the blades require hand washing as they are not dishwasher safe. The NutriBullet's blade design is less powerful but more versatile for basic tasks. It includes additional blade options like an ice shaver blade for specific purposes such as making shaved ice or grinding coffee beans. While it can handle basic blending tasks like smoothies or sauces effectively, it struggles with tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or raw nuts. For users who need a blender primarily for light-duty tasks, its blade design is sufficient but not as advanced as the NutriBullet's. Performance. When it comes to performance, the NutriBullet clearly outshines the NutriBullet. With motor options ranging from 600 watts to 900 watts, depending on the model, the NutriBullet delivers significantly more power than its counterpart. This allows it to process fibrous ingredients efficiently and create smooth beverages or purees without unprocessed chunks. Its high-speed motor, up to 24,000 RPM, ensures faster blending times but may overprocess certain foods if not monitored carefully. The NutriBullet operates with a modest 250-watt motor, which makes it suitable for light blending tasks such as making smoothies with soft fruits or preparing salsa and dips. However, it lacks the power needed to handle tougher ingredients effectively. While it can crush ice if liquid is added to assist the process, it cannot crush ice on its own or blend harder items like raw nuts or seeds efficiently. Its slower RPM can be advantageous for recipes requiring chunkier textures but limits its overall versatility. Capacity and accessories. The NutriBullet offers larger capacity cups compared to the NutriBullet. With cup sizes ranging up to 32 ounces, depending on the model, it is better suited for preparing larger servings or blending for multiple people at once. This makes it a great option for families or individuals who want to prepare meal-sized smoothies or shakes in one go. The standard accessories include lids for on-the-go use and various cup sizes that cater to different needs. On the other hand, the NutriBullet typically comes with smaller cup sizes ranging from 12 to 16 ounces. While this limits its utility for larger servings, it compensates by offering more accessories in its standard sets. These accessories often include multiple cups of varying sizes, storage lids, and specialized blades like an ice shaver blade or flat blade for grinding spices or coffee beans. This variety adds convenience for users who prefer having multiple options without purchasing extras separately. Portability and storage. The NutriBullet's compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable and easy to store. It fits neatly into small cabinets or tight spaces, making it a great choice for those with limited kitchen space or for people who need a blender they can take on the go. The NutriBullet, while still relatively compact, is larger and heavier due to its more powerful motor and larger capacity cups. While it is not as portable as the NutriBullet, it is still small enough to fit on most countertops without taking up too much space. Noise levels. Blenders are often noisy, but there is a noticeable difference in sound levels between the NutriBullet and NutriBullet. The NutriBullet's powerful motor generates more noise during operation, especially when blending tough ingredients like ice or frozen fruits. While this is expected given its higher wattage, it may be disruptive in quieter environments. The NutriBullet, with its lower-powered motor, operates at a quieter level. This makes it less intrusive, especially for early morning use when others in the household might still be asleep. Versatility in recipes. The NutriBullet is highly versatile and capable of handling a wide range of recipes beyond smoothies. Its powerful motor and extractor blades allow users to make nut butters, grind coffee beans, blend soups, crush ice for cocktails, and even process dough for baking. The NutriBullet, while versatile in its own right, is better suited for simpler recipes like smoothies with soft fruits, salad dressings, dips, or baby food. It struggles with more complex tasks due to its lower power and smaller capacity. Durability and longevity. The NutriBullet's robust construction and high-quality materials contribute to its durability and longevity. It is designed to withstand regular use over time without significant wear and tear. The NutriBullet, while adequate for light use, may not last as long if used frequently or for heavy-duty tasks. Its lighter build and less powerful motor make it more prone to overheating or damage when pushed beyond its intended capabilities. Ease of use and cleaning. Both blenders are designed with simplicity in mind and are easy to assemble and operate using a push and twist mechanism. The NutriBullet models often feature hands-free operation where users can lock the cup into place while it blends automatically. This adds an extra layer of convenience during use. Cleaning is straightforward for both blenders since their cups are dishwasher safe. However, their blade assemblies must be hand-washed due to their design. This can be slightly inconvenient for users who prefer fully dishwasher-safe components, but ensures that the blades remain sharp over time. Energy efficiency. The NutriBullet consumes less energy due to its 250-watt motor, making it more energy efficient than the NutriBullet. For users who prioritize energy savings or have limited electrical capacity in their kitchen, e.g., RVs or small apartments, the NutriBullet may be a better choice. The NutriBullet's higher wattage, 600 to 900 watts, results in greater energy consumption but delivers superior performance that justifies the trade-off for most users. These additional titles provide further insight into how the two blenders compare across various aspects beyond just design, performance, and cost. Cost. One of the most significant differences between these two blenders is their price point. The NutriBullet is significantly cheaper than the NutriBullet, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers or those who only need a blender for occasional use. Despite its lower cost, it performs well enough for basic blending tasks like smoothies or dips. The NutriBullet's higher price reflects its superior performance, build quality, and versatility. It is better suited for users who require consistent blending of tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or raw nuts on a daily basis. While it represents a larger upfront investment compared to the NutriBullet, its durability and efficiency make it worth considering for regular use. So, which one is better? In conclusion, both blenders cater to different types of users based on their needs and budgets. The NutriBullet excels in power, performance, build quality, and capacity, making it ideal for individuals who need a reliable blender capable of handling tough ingredients daily. It produces smoother blends with less effort and can prepare larger portions in one go. On the other hand, the Magic Bullet is better suited for those seeking an affordable option primarily for light-duty tasks like making soft fruit smoothies or simple sauces. Its compact design and variety of accessories make it convenient for occasional use but limit its ability to handle more demanding blending tasks. Ultimately, choosing between these two blenders depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize power and durability over cost, go with the NutriBullet. If you're looking for an affordable solution for basic blending jobs with added versatility and accessories, then opt for the Magic Bullet.